Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where I bring you latest updates on different websites, how you can actually set up different kind of websites and web applications. Today on this video, I will actually talk about a real estate website. Whether you're a seasoned investor on real estate or you're a web designer, a web developer, and you want to set up a real estate website for a client. So this video is actually for you. In today's video, I am actually thrilled to introduce to you this incredible real estate website that will revolutionize the way you search for your dream homes. So we will actually dive in right now, and the unique features of this website, you can see right now that it has a user-friendly interface and how it's actually going to reshape the way people connect with properties. So let's dive in. What you are actually see right now is the home page of the website. You can see all details and contents have been written. So these properties you are seeing right now is actually coming from the back end. So some properties have been listed to actually show the beauty of this website. It's actually divided into different sessions, or let me say dashboards or portals. We have the home page, which you are seeing right now. We have the admin side. We have the staff portal too. We have the dashboard for the users. So let's dive in. Let me show you the features of this website. First of all, we'll go over the home page. As you can see right now, this is the battle section of the home page, and this is the top properties. The admin can actually set this to be part of the top properties or the featured properties. See right now, okay, you can see right now this is actually the featured properties. And urgent properties, so you can maybe urgent properties for sale or urgent properties for rent. You can just put them here. So these are, you can see now, these are a list of agents, so real estate agents which are actually registered on the website, and these are their blog posts, and you can actually control or edit this blog post from the back end. So right now I'll go over to the top properties. I'll click on this property now. Okay, as you can see right now, I am on the property page. So this is showing the details of a particular property, showing different pictures. You can see that now. And right now this property is actually for sale and it's very urgent. So this is the name of the property, Vesa Family Vineyard, Blue Victorian. You can see this is the address which the property is actually located, 20 Brantwich West, Stephenton, Testport, Queensland, Australia. So this is the property address, and it's saying the property has 25 beds, 5 bathrooms, and it's in a split 630 square feet. So the number of views this property has is 54. You can actually comment to add a review, add to your wish list if you are actually a user. And the details of the features of the property, you can see the property type is hotel and resorts. The unit is 25 units. Area is 630 square feet. The floors have 5 floors. Sorry. Bedrooms, we have 25 bedrooms, 10 kitchens, parking space of 7 cars, or 7 cars. So rooms, they're up to 30. So you can also add a description here. These are just demo contents, no description. Demo description, and again you can also add a property video, so the users might not just read and be satisfied, so they want to see something, catching about the property. So this is actually a video of the particular property, and the amenities, that's the elevator in the building, that's reservations, that's bike parking. You can also book for alcohols, whatever way you want to set up the amenities of this property. Can set it there. So look at the nearest place close to the particular property. It's saying now that the property is close to an airport, it's close to a beach, it's close to an hospital. So, and this is the map showing the particular location of the property. So here you can actually give a review. Right now this property has 5 out of 5 average rating. So say please to write a review, so which means you have to log in as a user to be able to write a review. Right now this place, you can see right now, you can actually maybe book for an appointment. Yeah, You can see this is just a featured property too. So let's go back to the home page. So you can see right now on this slider, you can say find your property. So if I want to find properties that are for sale, I will click on sale, select the location. You can see right now this location we added from the backend. You can see right now different locations. Now I'll click on this location. Property type, I will click on the business property type or something. So housing. So I can just type the type and search for that particular property. So if there is something related to this the criteria which are actually inserted here, when I click on search property, it will definitely bring out those properties. So I'll go for, you can see right now, these are the features property. I can also click on it. And I click on the featured property. So it should take me to the property detail. So these are urgent properties too. So let me take you to the about us page. This is the about us page. Now you can see all they have demo content. So when you get your hands on this script or software or application, you can actually change these details to the details of your own real estate company. You can see right now, you can see these are the team of the real estate company. As you get to property, you can see all properties here. All properties are actually listed, so you can change the view. See, so we find the property. You can also use here to find the particular property you are looking for. When you go to featured property, these are featured properties. These are the featured properties. Top properties too. The top properties. So the pricing plan is actually for users or agents too, who want to actually come into your own software or your own real estate application to list out their own properties. So they will have, you can't be helping them sell properties or rent out properties and not get something from them. So the plan actually controls that. So you have different pages here. The FAQ page, that's the FAQ page, the blog page. Blog page is loading. Blog page still loading. So let me just go to the contact us page to load faster. So this is the contact us page. Contact us page. So I'll go to the blog page again. Okay, now this is the blog page. You can click on a particular blog to view the blog post or the blog detail. You can see right now. You can see. So that is it for the home page. So you can see how beautiful it is. So let me take you through the backend, the various features of the backend. So to go to the backend, it will be your domain name /admin. Click enter. Okay, since I've logged in before. Okay, so on the side menu, the first thing you see there is real estate. So here you have the agent properties. So these are the properties which your agent actually created. You can actually activate it or deactivate it, and you can view the property. So you can actually again to delete this property too. So the properties of the company is under my properties. You can see right now. So you can activate and deactivate a property. You can actually view the property. So on the home page, you can see now. You can also come here to edit this property. Can edit the property. Still loading. Okay, this is the edit page of the property. You can see now. You can change the property title, the slug. So slug is actually what will show on the URL when you display that property. So property type, different property types here. You can pick one. The city of the property, select the city, the address, the phone number, the website of that property, or if it actually has a website, the email address. So what's the property purpose? Is it for rent or is it for sale? And what is the price? So is it yearly period? This, for example, is for rent or something. Is it yearly period, daily? Or so this are now other information, the total area, the total units, bedrooms, and other details. So we can actually add images, edit the images too. You can see now. You can see the amenities. Can click on it. You can see. So the Google map of that particular property, a description, active. You can't make it into property or it should be a featured property. So now then when you're done editing, you update. So let me go back to the list of properties or properties. So to add a property, you click on create. To create a property, so you put in the name, the slug to like how you want the property to display on the URL. Now on property type, select for the property type. Is it now a house and garden, hotel, resort, business, restaurant, fitness club? So the city which property is located, the address of the property. So just filling all the details. If it's for sale, it's for rent, the price. See right now. You can see it. So if you can see right now, if it's for rent, you have to put it. Is it daily? Is it monthly? Is it yearly? So the total area square feet of the property, put it there. The total units, total rooms, total bedroom, bathroom, total floor, total kitchen, total parking space. Select images, videos, or whatever of relating to the property. You can also put a YouTube video link here, like what I show you on the home page. So the amenities in the particular property, you can select multiple. The nearest locations of the property, you select this one too. Select them too. So the total distance from the location to the property, you put it here. And again, you put in the Google Map code, description of the property. Select the status. So if it's active, it means it will be published on the home page immediately. So if it's inactive, it will not be published immediately. So you can make it to be featured, you can make it to be top property, you can make it to be an urgent property, the SEO title to the SEO description, then you save and the property will be added. So property purposes, under property purposes on the admin side, it means that it's for sale or for rent. So you can actually deactivate them. So it's property for sale, property for rent. So you can actually edit these two. So when you activate them, when you deactivate for sale now, it means that no properties will be listed for sale. Or then when you activate again, it means properties can be listed for sale. So we'll now go to property types. Property types, you can see now different property types. Different property types you can activate and deactivate. You can also edit, you can also delete, and you can also add your own. So there are some that are not here right now, so you can think about them, or the property which your company, your real estate company, or your client's real estate company, there are type of property which they list, you can put it there too. So the nearest locations, can edit nearest locations, can also add nearest locations too. Is it a railway station? Is it a bus station? Is it a fueling station? Is it a beach? Is it an airport? Is it a bank? Whatever is close to that property or the properties of that company, you put it here. The amenities of the properties, you can see good for keys, elevator in the building, back bars, whatever is the amenities not in that properties, you list it here, and you can also edit and add too. So different packages, this is actually packages for the agents and actually users too. You can see now. You can see different properties, different packages. You can edit. You can edit this package. So you can see this is a free package with the price is actually 0. So it means anyone who is on the free package will not have to pay any amount of money. See, package name, the number of days, 30, number of properties. You can see now. So when you are on a free package, the number of properties you can create. So the number of properties you can create is actually 5. Number of amenities is 7. Nearest place, you can see right now. See, allow object properties. You can see this, so you can control these packages. Control the packages. Now agents, your agents. Let's see, these are the agents, list of agents. It's a list of agents. You have orders. It's actually from the home page, the user side too. Here you can check pending orders and that of or review of the property. You can also check reviews of the particular property or properties. You can see, it's at the reviews. So that's it for the real estate. Now let's go to pages. You can edit pages here, and now to click to edit the About Us page, and that is where you edit the About Us page. You put in the details which you want there, terms and conditions too. Terms and conditions. You can see now this is terms and conditions. So for privacy and policy, you can actually change the details too. So that's it for pages. Now locations. So the country which you have properties, we have to list the countries there, and also you can create countries too. And you can deactivate and activate. You can also edit countries too. States, and then the states which you have properties in a particular country, we list the states here, and the cities of the states is under city. Let's see now. So session control. Let's go to session control. The about session. So this means that, look at it now. Let's go to the home page. Let's go to the home page. Sorry, okay, About Us page. You can see now our theme. So you can use here to edit it. The description here, you can see you can see content quality, just 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see now, and then show in home page. So you can see make it. If you say no, this our theme here, this session here won't display. That's what it means. So the main session, you can see, you can show it in the home page or activate it from the home page. So in the menu session, so the menus which you want, what you want to show on the menus, so you can actually activate and deactivate. So for example, I deactivate accounts now. I can see updates. Then I can come here and say, you can see now users won't be able to register. So I just deactivated the account on the menu. See now, see that. So the home session, for home session, you go to the home page. I think I need to let me go back to activate this. Okay, the home session. So still loading. For the home session, you can see now you can see About Us. The quality of About Us should be 4. And see, so if you want it to show on your page, you just click yes, or if you don't want to show, you can click no. So for top properties, you can see now top properties showing. You can control how many content quantity. Right now it sees, and that's why 6 properties are actually showing and show on your page, and so that's how it is for others too. So let's go to slider session or session. And here you can activate and deactivate sliders. You can also add sliders too. Here you can come and create testimonials, and your partners too. You can show your partners on the home page. So that's why I said everything on this website is actually controlled for the backend. You just have to make it be like how you want it to be. So you can put on the services. See now. So let's go to the SEO setup home page. So SEO means search engine optimization. It's like the title of the website, how you can actually rank on Google, and put a meta description here saying some description about your own real estate company. So let's just go to language. You can see website language. So if you want to change all languages, this English now. Right now it's actually in English. So for example, we want to change to French. So the meaning of dashboard in French, you put it here. The meaning of real estate in French, you put it here. Agent properties in French, you put it here. Then you save. All the website language will actually change. So what you can see now, validation error, for example, like email field is required, you put it in French too, or which other language which you want the website to be. Go to notification language. See now, this is how the same thing you will do here too. So let's go to settings. Then we have the general settings. The general settings is to change the logo. You can change the logo, the favicon. You can see that now. Put the site mail. So layout is actually from left to right. So right now, the currency which of the ones the site to be, why the symbol. So if we actually put let me search for dollar. Let me search for US dollar. You can see now symbol is put in the symbol there. You can see. So now time zone, you can search the time zone, then you updates. This is absolutely wonderful. So for blog comments too, you can do some settings on the blog comments. You can see custom comments or Facebook comments. So if it's Facebook comments, you put in your Facebook app ID. So the cookie consent model, so you can show the right now it's not showing. You can allow cookie, so you can just like edit it the way you want it to display. So payments accounts, like where your agents or users will actually make payments. So it has PayPal, it has Stripe, it has Razorpay, it has Flutterwave, and it has Paystack. All you have to do is just put in your API keys and whatever details. So it also have the currency conversion too. So how many naira do you want it to be per USD? You put it there to the update, so that it will automatically convert it for you. You can also set Google Recaptcha here. So set Google Recaptcha. You can see allow Recaptcha. You can see no or yes. So live chat too. It uses the talk to live chat. You can put your link here. You can see allow yes or no. So for pagination, you can see right now, you can see pagination, you can put in blog, put in properties like pagination. So when you go to theme color, you can actually change the color. You can see right now, this color here is this, and the theme color too, you can see is this. So you can actually change the appearance, so your own real estate website won't be like another person's own real estate website. For image template, you can change the image templates here, like the different image templates. Okay, you can see now different. Let me click on this one, password reset. So you can change the templates here. You can see now. Now let's go to email configuration. Here you can set your SMTP, put in your SMTP host, your email, your SMTP username, SMTP password, and every other detail. See now. So banner image, change it here. So I know you are actually being convinced, or you are actually convinced that this is a fully packed real estate application. Like this is definitely what you need for that real estate business, or what your clients need for that is real estate business. So different banners are here too. You can put a login image here. So the admin login image, the staff login image, what will display on those login pages. This is where you change them. So we go to admin. Here you can actually create admin and activate or delete admin. So this is the current admin right now. I can create another admin. Let's see, I'll create another admin. Yeah. So let's go to file manager. So file manager is actually where you can actually save or store pictures. So it's not like every time you won't be uploading pictures all the time. So you can come here to add new, put in title, just carry the picture, then you save it there. So you can also manage staffs. So staff also have their own accounts. You can see staff have their own accounts, different staffs here. You can delete and you can actually so you can create a new staff here. Put name, email, password. So this is for the blog and post. This is where you manage the blog post too. For contact information and contact messages, these are where you can find them. You can see them, see top bar. This is where you can change them. See that now. So that is it for the admin page, the admin portal, the admin dashboard. So let's now go to the staff side. So to go to the staff side, all you have to do is go to your domain name /staff. Then I will log in. So let me create a staff. Here's manage staff. I'll create a new staff now. I'll create a new staff. So I'll create a new staff. It's loading. So I'll create a new staff. Let me say Henry Joe. Email address of henry@gmail.com. Now put in password that I'll save. So I just created new stuff now. I'll copy his email address. I'll go now, come here, put in his password, then I'll log in. Now login successfully. So right now you can see now. So staff actually have the ability to deactivate properties, activate properties, edit property, and also delete properties. And staff too can create properties. So these are features of what the staffs can do. So they can also see their profile and also log out. So now let me show you the user side. So I'll go to my accounts. Let me create a new account. Let me use William Josh. I'll put in my email address so that I'll be able to get a mail. I'll put in my password and I'll create an account now. So creating an account now. You can see, thanks for registration. Before you log in, please verify your email. So I'll go to my mail now. So you can see right now, congratulations, your account has been successfully created. Click on the link to activate your account. So I'll click on the link now. Now my account has been verified, so I will log in. My password and login. So this is the dashboard of the user. So the user or which are actually the agents too. So you can see now. You can see properties. When you go to my properties, displays the properties of the user, their profile. Shows the user profile. This is actually a default image of the users. So orders, when people come and order for their own properties, their wish list to their pricing plan, they can choose a particular pricing plan here and start with free, or you can start with basic or pro. So this is it for the user dashboard. Actually a very cool real estate application. So now let me show you how you can actually set up this kind of real estate application. So first of all you have to do is get your hands on this real estate script. It doesn't cost much. It's just 60,000 naira for this real estate script, and you should get your domain name and hosting. So now I will log into cPanel. So I've logged into my cPanel now. I want to create a subdomain to actually show you how you can actually set this kind of real estate websites. So I will create a subdomain, but you can actually upload yours on a main domain, which is under the public underscore HTML. So I'll just click use Topland, or you create. Right now my subdomain has been created, so I'll go to file manager. I'll open a particular folder, then I'll click on upload. And you will select the file which I will send to you when you make payments for the script. So you can see right now it's uploading. So right now it just finished uploading. I'll reload this now. Then I will extract the file. I'll go into the folder, then I'll move all into the particular direction which I want it to be. So next thing I will do now is to create database. So I'll search for database, then I'll go to my SQL database wizard, create Topland DB. So I'll copy this database which I created now, put it here. I'll say DB, go to my part and put it here. I'll create a username and say Topland user. I'll generate a password. I'll use this. Use password. I'll create user. I'll copy the user which I created and tick all privileges. Then I'll go to next step. Put in the user here. So now I will search for phpMyAdmin and open it. Then I'll go back to my folder and open .env file. So if you can't see .env file, all you have to do is go to show hidden files here, click on settings, go to show hidden files, then you save. Then you go back to the folder which you moved all files away from, so definitely to be Topland folder. Then you move the .env file and other files there to the folder which you are working with. So now I will edit .env file. I will copy my database which I created, copy my database user, and I'll copy my password. So the link of my website, I'll put it here. You can put the website name here too, so you can save changes. Go back again to the SQL folder, then you download this SQL file, then go to phpMyAdmin, select the database which you created, click on import, then select it and you open, then click on go. Now your database has been imported, so everything should be done now. I'll click on the link to view it on the browser and see if everything works well. Wow, awesome. You can see right now everything works well. As you can see now, everything works well. So what I'll do now is to log into the admin side. So /admin to go to the admin side. So to get the admin details, go back to phpMyAdmin, click on the admins table. You can see there are different admins here. So this one, the first one, which is saying admin@mail.com. Now click on edit. Go down to where you can find password. You can see password. Now remove this, put in your password, put the password which you want to use. Now what I just type is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Click on this select, then go to encrypt, then go down and click on go. Right now I will log into the admin side now. So admin@mail.com 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now I've logged in successfully. The next thing you need to set up again is the mail. So go to settings, go to email configuration, then you fill in your webmail details here, then you update. That's not all. Then you go back to config folder, go to mail.php, then you edit, you scroll down, then you put your mail here, I put your website name here. So that's all. Then you save. That's all. Then your website should run very well. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you'll be the first to get updates when I upload videos like this. And you can also contact me for any kind of websites. My contact details is actually in the description of this video. So if you need to get this script, it actually costs 60,000 naira only. You can call me or chat me up on WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching again. See you in my next video.